हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम। अभी हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं बेसिक्स ऑफ जावा प्रोग्रामिंग। तो इसके पार्ट में ये पहला है वीडियो जिसमें स्टार्ट करें बिगनिंग से। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी मस्ट नो व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टर सेट विच इज फॉलोड बाय जावा। तो कैरेक्टर सेट होता क्या है? वो सेट ऑफ कैरेक्टर जो पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज आइडेंटिफाई कर सकती है, that is known as character set of that particular language. Java is using Unicode character set, that is 2 byte code to store the characters. इसका मतलब एक कैरेक्टर स्टोर करने के लिए वो 2 बाइट लेता है और इन 2 बाइट को यूज करके 65,536 कैरेक्टर रिप्रेजेंट हो सकते हैं, which covers the characters of most of the language used in the world. There are some features of Unicode system. First feature is it is 16-bit, means 2 byte code, and derived from the 24 languages across the world. Unicode currently supports more than 34,000 defined character in almost all the human language around the world. The first 128 characters are same as the characters used in the ASCII character set. This is a very important point. Same as ASCII character set. टोकन्स, हर लैंग्वेज में जो स्मॉलेस्ट इंडिविजुअल यूनिट होती है दैट इज नोन एज टोकन. द इंडिविजुअल कैरेक्टर यूज्ड इन जावा स्टेटमेंट इज नोन एज टोकन एंड देयर आर सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ टोकन इन जावा. फर्स्ट वन इज लिटरल, आइडेंटिफायर्स, कीवर्ड्स, पंक्चुएटर्स, सेपरेटर्स एंड ऑपरेटर्स. Literals are also known as constant. So the data item whose value do not change in the course of the program is known as constant. For example, there are 6 types of literals. First one is integer literals. Then second one is real literals, character literals, string literals, boolean literals and null literals. So definition याद रखेंगे. Literals means the data item who has the value as constant. So let's see integer and floating point literals. Integer literals are the whole number have at least one digit and must not contain any decimal point. It may contain either plus or minus sign. Commas cannot appear in an integer literal. So like 25, if we say this is the integer literal, minus 36 is another integer literal. Floating point literals are the numbers having fractional part. This may be written in one of the two forms, fractional form or exponential form. Normally we use fractional form. Fractional form, the real literals in the fractional form must have at least one digit before the decimal point and one digit after the decimal point. It may also have either plus or minus sign. Suppose we have to write 0.5, so we will write 0.5. It must have the digits before and after decimal both. Exponential form is used to represent bigger numbers. It has 2-part mantissa and exponent. The mantissa must be an integer or a proper real number, and it is followed by the letter E or small e and the exponent. An exponent must be an integer. Then there is a boolean literal. Boolean literals are having two values, either true or false. True and false are the two values which are known as boolean literals. Character literals, any character which is represented in the single quote is known as the character literal. Even a number is there, this is 2. If it is given in single quote, it will be treated as character. A single character is a character literal. Non-graphic character are those characters which cannot be directly typed from the keyboard. There are certain things which cannot be typed from the keyboard. For example, backspace. If you want to represent backspace in the output, we cannot directly do that. Tabs and returns. To represent such character, escape sequences are used. Non-graphic character can be represented by using escape sequences. A escape sequence is represented by a backslash followed by one character. For example, backslash B is representing backspace. Backslash N is representing new line. If we want to print backslash, we have to display backslash 2 times. If you want to display a single quote, then we have to write backslash single quote. For the alert word, backslash A. For the horizontal tab, backslash T. If you want to display question mark, backslash question mark. And if you want to display double quotes, we will use double quote with the backslash. String letters is the sequence of 0 or more characters surrounded by the double quotes. Each character may be represented by an escape sequence. For example, if you write double quotes with no space, then it is representing nothing. Or if you write any number 235, it is an integer. If I put this in the double quotes, it will become a string. Or a name is there, so name is represented with the suppose I write a name something in double quotes, it is a string. The next thing is identifier. Identifier matlab by which we can identify something. So identifier are the name given to the different part of the program. So for example, if we make a function, name of the function is an identifier, variable name is an identifier, class name, object name, everything is an identifier. So when we create identifier, we have to follow some rules. The first rule is an identifier name can be of any length. It can have alphabet, digits or underscore. These 3 things. But it cannot start with a digit. It cannot start with a digit. It cannot be a keyword. An identifier name should be meaningful, so it is easily depicting the logic of the program. We cannot take any name, it should be meaningful. What is keyword? There are some reserved words by any language which conveys special meaning to the programming language. For example, if I write if, so if is a keyword, final is a keyword reserved by Java. If I use this final word for identifier, it won't work, or I cannot use it for some other purpose. इसका जो मीनिंग है फिक्स है, ये फाइनल लिखा है तो यही काम होगा तो वही होगा. So those are some reserved words. Cons and goto are the reserved word. Then Boolean literal true and false, they are the reserved words, but they are not the keywords. Null is also null literal. This is not a keyword, but it is a reserved word. Punctuator and separators are very important to communicate. It is used at many places, so we have to use it very appropriately. These are the special symbols or the character in Java. For example, colon, semicolon, comma, everything is very important. कॉमा कहाँ यूज करना है, सेमीकोलन का क्या मीनिंग होता है. तो जैसे जैसे प्रोग्रामिंग हम लोग करते जाएंगे, आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलता है कि कॉमा का यूज करने से ये होता है. सेपरेटर्स, ये जो पैरेंथेसिस यूज कर रहे हैं, ये ब्लॉक बनाने के लिए यूज करते हैं, ये एरे के लिए यूज करते हैं. दिस आर नोन एज सेपरेटर्स. एंड ऑपरेटर्स। हम कोई भी प्रोसेस करना चाहते हैं तो उस प्रोसेस में क्या प्रोसेस है उसके लिए एक सिंबल यूज होता है। तो दिस आर द सिंबल्स विच टेल्स विच ऑपरेशन टू टेक प्लेस। हम ऐड करना है तो प्लस यूज कर रहे हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है माइनस यूज कर रहे हैं, कंपेयर करना है ग्रेटर देन साइन यूज कर रहे हैं, इंक्रीमेंट करना है प्लस प्लस यूज कर रहे हैं। एंड ऑपरेंड, किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन में a प्लस b है तो a एंड b आर द ऑपरेंड्स। ऑपरेंड्स आर द डेटा आइटम्स on which particular operation takes place. There are some differences also discussed. Keyword and identifier. Keywords are the reserved words. Identifier the user defined words. हमने जो भी नाम दिए हैं वो user defined है. They convey the special meaning to the language and they are uniquely identifying a variable, array, method, etc. जिस चीज को भी हमने क्रिएट किया उसका जो भी नाम दिया उसको आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए काम आएंगे. They are specified in the lower case only and cannot be redefined. Here we can take lower case, upper case or title case, any case we can follow. Then character and string literal, what are the different? It is a single Unicode character enclosed in a single code and it is enclosed in a double quote. It may have single character, no character or group of character, but it can have only one character. Even backslash n is a character, escape sequence is a character. Backslash n appears to have two characters here, but in the memory it is represented as single character. Okay, this is a primitive data type and this is the represented with the derived data type. Data types we will discuss later on. Then for example, to make it more clear, single A is in the single quote, A in the double quote. How are they different? It is in single quote, so we can say it is a character literal. This one is in double quotes, so we can say it is a string literal. And it will have Unicode integer value, this one, and no Unicode value for this. इसके लिए character type को यूज करना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए string type variable को यूज करना पड़ेगा. Integer literal और floating point literal में क्या डिफरेंस है? ये whole number है, decimal point नहीं है, यहाँ पे decimal point होगा. इसके लिए byte, short, int, long 4 तरह के डेटा टाइप होते हैं. इसके लिए 2 तरह के होते हैं, डबल और या फ्लोट को यूज करेंगे. ये 3 फॉर्म में होते हैं, डेसिमल में, ऑक्टल में और हेक्साडेसिमल में. नॉर्मली हम लोग डेसिमल यूज करते हैं. तो कोई भी नंबर जो 0 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, रिप्रेजेंट हो रहा है, दैट इज ऑक्टल नंबर. एंड कोई भी नंबर 0x से स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो दैट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड इन हेक्साडेसिमल फॉर्मेट. What is the difference between operator and expression? Operator is a symbol that carries a specific task on operand. And this is the combination of operator, variable, constant. It is legal combination which is used to perform any operation. The operator causes the compiler to take an action and produce the value. And this expression is used to return the evaluated. जो ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया, जो एक्शन है उसका इवैल्यूएशन से क्या रिजल्ट आया वो एक्सप्रेशन रिटर्न करता है.